In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a YouTube thumbnail. There's a class that I'm posting showcasing the applications that we have on our platform. So let's create a thumbnail for that. We're going to just Nano Banana it, get that still that we just took a picture of. I believe it's this one. Oh, I need a profile. I don't have a profile. Let me just take a picture of myself and upload. This is more like it. This is more like me. This is more like me. I'm gonna throw that into my character sheet. We're gonna call this King Zulu the Great, baby. Then set as active immediately, okay, because we want to create a profile. Then generate sheet. I can download this. It's created this character, and that's me. Alright, so we're good. We are going to close this. Go ahead and change the applications on the, that flying on my left hand side of this picture, and replace them with Cling, with Grok. Let's just execute. Let's see what happens. Make sure, let's change the background to something else that works for this, okay, and change the clothing to different, a little, you know, change the clothing to something more different. Remove the camera from the background, and change the application, and the applications that are floating, just add Cling VEO3. Alright, this is good enough. Filmmakers AI toolbox. Then we're just gonna download this image. Okay, I created this idea. Character builder, assemble, scroll, open this one. I created this thing from show library, add image. I'm gonna add a few images. Brands, I think you should have the logos. If we get these, okay, so after this, I need to create a way to convert this to make these into Nano Banana right away to do the thing. So I just never, so I've taken a snap, but a snap is supposed to give us, okay, let's see. Let me try one thing. Let me take a picture of this. Let's get a picture of this. Then okay, oh, export image. Okay, I'll export, no need to take a picture. I'll export the image. Then if I go back to Nano Banana, what's happening there? Okay, nothing has happened since we left. Alright, so let's go to the download and get that one image that we just downloaded, which is this one right here. Oh man. Okay, in the export, the thing didn't render. Okay, so we are going to go to the screenshot that we took, this one. Then analyze those images, the image that I've attached, and make the logos replace the other logos. Look at that. Look at that. I caught this. Oh my goodness, I caught this on video. Wow, that's crazy. All right, okay, I'm happy. So let's just this one, it's good. So let's just make sure, because my face is beginning to go a little off. So we have our character, which is this one. Use this, yes. We'll say we just tag the character. The system should know. Let's just imagine that we decide to prompt it that way, and continue to build. Make sure that the character is consistent with Gaudens Zulu, and also remove the Curious Refuge AI tutorial logo, as well as the logo on the bottom left and the time code on the bottom right. Do not change the lighting or anything else, just change the character and that's it, and remove the other three things that I just said. Alright guys, so this is all I had for you guys when it comes to Nano Banana. Go in, explore, play around with Nano Banana. There's a lot it can do, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and turn on that little ring bell thing so you can get a notification each time I post. Okay, so see you guys in the next one.